Right? I didn't hear you.
No.
You sure?
मैम देखो ना नमन मार रहे हैं मैम मार रहे हैं मैम देखो ना मार रहे हैं जोर का
चलो write down something which is a little difficult.
मैम नेक्स्ट
right?
यस सर मैम लोगों को कितना आगे मिल गया
What? Oh!
जल्दी कर
Really wrong.
मैम लोग आगे लोग आगे कितनी बातें करते
What job was given to wasting time? What job was given to Lashkov?
राइटर नहीं गुड जॉब पे
अरे यार
मैम आंसर
wrong question. Sorry.
मैम मैं छो में लिखा है
No need of
नो प्रॉब्लम
this.
ओके
What different kind of work? What different kind of work did Lashkov do at Sergei's house? So basically, why I gave you this question is so that you can list down the kind of works he did. You can just don't write it.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Snow car and all. He used to do snow car. He used to go and clean the snow and all.
No,
It's mentioned in text. You see the text. If you don't understand, I'll explain.
Ma'am, see, ma'am, please change it.
Beat the dust in the mattresses and all. Remember in the paragraph in the sentence?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
This one. What different kind of work did Lashkov do at Sergei's house?
what different kind of works
Did Lashkov do at Sergei's house?
we got English notes lunch one or 20
Ma'am is changing the place.
how much 22 and a half the 25 में से अच्छा है I got 22 70 out of 80 I lost one I got good answers I lost one in grammar I lost one in unseen passage and I lost one in the story not one I lost half in the story 170 and I lost one
Ma'am, exam was not.
Story to chal it's okay because story to it's an individual opinion. Because here the teachers will not follow. Here the teachers will not follow the the idea which is given in boards. Because in boards they have given it clearly that you have to give your marks for activity, marks for introduction, then body, and this is how the marking is done. How? So I don't think the school will is clear.
Ma'am, changing place.
That's the difference. Although there is no there's a school. Because I've seen you guys their friend pretty well. So in boards you school. Okay. But grammar and unseen that's
So down. I wrote the correct answer in the question paper and in the MCQ. I had picked it. I forgot to write it in the answer sheet.
oh my god
I was guessing why did I get full marks in unseen passage.
grammar in unseen passage. So your case was not like technically wrong. Just an error. But in grammar, how come you know?
it was a bit confusing
No, not at all. I'm looking into it. So I'm looking.
it was about the mangoes wala I had second and the first three I got right they were all in present tense not the third one I thought it was in past tense and it was the correct one was the past tense
But how can they mix the tenses?
I didn't understand
Because the passage has to be in one tense.
that
Passage cannot be in two tenses.
let me recall that question was the quality of mangoes is rotten is or are is was it there that there was a gap over there was a
What do you
gap
mean?
is
Why?
quality it's मैम वो देखो मैम सामान चुरा रहे हैं
Boys, this is for you also because you get these questions in exam. So when you say Gurpreet,
मैम मुंह उठा लीजिए देखो ना
Ma'am, please change it.
Don't.
can I have a pitch? So Gurpreet and Naman, if question like this comes, the quality of mangoes, okay, dash rotten. So what will you write? What will you write? Is or are? Is rotten. Why?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
The quality of mangoes dash rotten.
I.
Why?
Ma'am, because mangoes.
Naman?
And
Why?
because
What will you write? Yes. What will you write? Quality of mangoes dash rotten.
Is.
Why? Okay, wait.
Is.
You know why is? Because when you talk about the singular, plural, or the subject and the verb and all these elements, so we are not supposed to see mangoes over here. Because what is the main subject over this is quality. Right? The main subject in the sentence is quality, not mangoes. Mangoes की quality. अगर if I say it in Hindi, mangoes की quality ऐसी आई है. तो mangoes की quality क्या है? Singular है कि plural है? Singular. तो आप singular use करो. You got it? Be careful with this grammar and all. Because we did subject verb. And now you just, this is like basic thing here. Grade 4 and 5 में this thing works. Mangoes है तो R लगा दो, mango है तो this लगा दो. This is not how it works in 9 and 10. You have to very particular subject and verb of peoples. Okay. Next, what was wrong?
I got that one right. The second one I don't really remember. The third one was being dash inexperienced person. So I wrote being an inexperienced person because there's a vowel and after it am. And the fourth one was they easily dash kill. Fool. I wrote fool. मम नमन बैग से चुराने की कोशिश कर रहा है बात. Fool, it's fool. मैं वो तो fool. They easily fool.
You know why? Because fool and fooled technically both are correct. Okay? But the problem is if the first three sentences when you said it to me is you didn't say was to me. You said is to me. So they were all in present. This is the rule. The rule says that if it's a passage, okay, there is a difference between a passage and a sentence. अगर आपको 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sentences आ रहे हैं ना, then obviously the rule doesn't apply because everything works as per the sentence. And what you have to do in sentence also is just look at the first part of the sentence, comma से पहले, right? You have two part of sentences, ना? First part of sentence अगर present में है, so you have to ensure it goes in present. Similarly, rule applies for passage. That if the first phase of my part is all present, so how can I have it in past? That's a so I think that's how we lost marks. Because you also said it, is and all. Because she was saying was to me initially. Right? The mangoes, the quality of mangoes was. But
like as I read on, I also thought it was initially, but as I read the whole
what
sentence-
made you think about present?
Because the whole sentence wasn't,
Going hand in hand.
hand in hand with the present tense. It wasn't past. Sorry, it was past tense. It wasn't present tense.
That means there is no as such help required. It's just the rule. You just need to know this thing. हमेशा ऐसे ही होता है. This is how it works in English. Like if I'm talking in passage में present में, तो you have to ensure that you put a present thing. You can't make sense. तभी I said it ना. How can she do it? You also said it. Yeah, we clear with this. So your any answering passage for now?
Answering passage, it was mental health or something. Discipline.
But why did we lose marks? I mean, what was it? Was it a synonym and all those issues, or what was it?
Developing. It wasn't aligning with the answer on the answer sheet. I wrote developing discipline helps us. The question was, how does discipline help us? Developing discipline. There was something on the answer was there. But there was another like a variable of help.
Okay.
That was the correct answer. I don't know why.
For that I need to see because I didn't get it.
But even I asked those, even two other girls had the same doubt.
You asked your teacher once.
I have.
you have, take a picture of it. Should. Okay, we'll find out the cause. It is not about challenge. The teacher is about finding the cause. That's all we have to work. You wrote the first question.
Yes.
Second question.
How many marks for this?
1 mark.
A.
How did Sergey feel after he saw Lashkov chopping wood? He saw Lashkov chopping wood. Okay? Question number 3. Inverted commas. Thank you to inverted comma close. Why does Lashkov say this to Sergey? The thank you to is on inverted commas. Okay. Why does Lashkov say this to Sergey?
T double.
क्या बताया?
Thank you to
हाँ,
T double.
हाँ, that's in inverted commas. Why does Lashkov say this to Sergey?
I was actually scared of the answers that I did, but it's surprisingly came out. Or I use marks in that. Because many people make mistakes.
Grammar is not a problem, it's simple. Basically. My only concern was when you say that the lost marks in grammar are not confident. Like, there's something which we haven't done. And because you can't afford to miss out on things to read them. It's very difficult.
Because grammar is the only thing you can.
Grammar is a clear-cut thing, you get score marks. And if you score good marks in grammar, so the examiner will be very lenient with you for your literature. Very lenient. Because they just analyze it by checking the paper there if the student knows grammar, so they will be good in literature. Because you have limited time to correct things in books. You don't have that much time, you need that much time. I don't know that this actually means they don't read it, but I meant that you have a preconceived.
This chat was good. Very good.
And it's actually good. It's not that must be good, it's actually good. Because if you have a base of grammar, you're not lost in anything, you know the story of course. You can make it. That is why we focus on grammar.
But our teacher, I found one of her teachers, she was telling about how in boards you have to write. And she was saying that they cut marks for writing answers in the same time. It's like an MCQ, so you can't write
Not that, you can't write.
What the thing?
In MCQs and all, you have to write in separate lines. Like for example, it's like, you know, not many times you do on the same paper. A, answer, B, on the same line you write B, answer no, it's not allowed. In boards, you have to make it
I did
everything.
that in one of my paper and the teacher didn't say anything, he just gave it correct.
Yeah, it's school exam. School exam, a lot of times you have the, like for example, I know
Have
Neha.
the freedom to use.
Like for example, I know Neha is a paper working, very. But if it's like somebody unknown and is checking a paper, they will screw the paper. Like, what is she writing?
I'm very Christmas.
So, I mean, you have to be particular in writing, presenting the answers.
Type research.
Okay, question number 4.
Oh, very interesting.
Type research.
Type research.
Okay, you, inverted commas, you can lead a horse. You can lead a horse to water, comma, but you can't make it drink. Justify the above proverb. Justify the above proverb with reference to the story.
justify the above with reference to the story.
Story, the beggar.
The beggar.
You know what I'm thinking? First three questions, you can just make it for 1 mark. First three, 1 mark each. And fourth question, you make it to 3 marks. Because it's about the proverb. And
Question 1.
one more. Question number 5. Repeat that again, please.
1 mark.
How was Lashkov the beggar? How was Lashkov the beggar different from? How was Lashkov the beggar different from Lashkov the notary?
Different from.
Lashkov the notary. And question is, 2 marks. This one. And last question. Compassion and pity. Compassion and pity can bring positive changes in human being.
Changes.
In human being. How did Olga prove it? If we do these 6, there is nothing which we are left with. Because easy ones I have already discussed already. This will actually get an idea of the we are on the right track. What?
Then keep an eye on your copy.
I'm same way.
I'm sure. And that's why I changed this.
एक बुक का नाम तो बुक चाहिए क्योंकि तो बहुत परेशान
नहीं
Very description. ऐसे नहीं मांगते पानी पानी Thanks. Mango.
What's it there? Don't worry about it. I'll manage it.
हम नामन देखो क्या कर रहे हैं Do we have to write the when he moved to another house? So when somebody moved to another house, we have to write down the question.
I understand. It was for the different kinds of work. No? First question.
Just mattress thing and all that stuff is there. That is a different kind of work.
Yes, please.
Rachel, I'm at work right now. Try and finish another 12 minutes. 15 minutes. You want to get in the tree also.
question says.
Yes.
Compassion to pity can bring positive change.
How did hold up?
How did it hold up? She was the only one who was compassionate. Finished? Repeat how many? 4 done. On 4th, why am I not getting what you're saying? And 3rd? Is it again? Just write as per marks to be too much. So I can see amount of times. Yeah. Am I on to the
5 questions.
all right?
Oh, that was 6 questions.
I'll say
5 questions. That is 6 questions.
Return 6 questions.
5 questions. Questions will be 6 questions.
So you have to do the 5 question also. You read the question I help you.
How much election of the labor is different from election of question?
Then you tell the boundary. So just have to tell the difference. in terms of his thought process, in terms of his hard working. Like, earlier he was not a hard working man. He was a person who wanted to shed off the work and earn easy money. Now he's a hard working person. Earlier he was not that kind. Now he's the most kindest, and very humble person who has a regard for all day and of course his sunshine. Stay in distance, no? How he is, how he was. Again, talk in terms of money, talk in terms of work, nature, love nature, money. You can even talk in terms. Okay, so it's really, I think of 3 months. I'm being very good. I will yes. Actually, too much. You're not going to finish your exam paper yet. Rekha, show me how much? Which question? Yeah, you want getting it free also? Look at her.
No, but see, what book is the name was expected.
You didn't do 6th question. Right?
I was doing that's oh, I know that. I thought you were asking to do this.
Okay. I just wanted to see from there how much you got. Now I don't know the question. Tell me the question.
You can read a works to whatever, but you can't make it. It's a somewhat. क्या? नहीं मैं तो 5 बार कर रहा हूँ मैंने तो काम कर दिया
Everyone doesn't mean that you have to copy. We should explain it. It's a proverb.
Yeah,
Yeah.
किसी को नहीं
right? You can be the boss. You know what? तुम घोड़े को पानी पिलाने लेके जाता है, और उसको पानी तो कुछ पीना पड़ेगा ना?
मतलब it's talking about the hard work. It's talking about that I can show you work. Okay, like for example, the beggar who had been asking for work, that he doesn't have money, he wants to get sympathy and all. But so over here he's being compared with that. It's a metaphor. Okay, that how the work is being shown to him. He has work, he's doing it, not doing it, it's his problem. He's shirking off. Shirk off and getting the old guy to do it. So that is what. So it's explained it in that sense.
Sorry. Are you still tired?
I think I get tired in 2 hours. It's my friend nowadays.
The usual, an average person has a maximum attention span of 45 minutes. क्या पढ़ने का? तो for example, 5 minutes पढ़. Maximum 90 minutes.
Finish. Do one day next week.
मैम आप इसको पढ़ा था हमने तब तक नहीं.
इसी को पढ़ना है अदिति.
No, I don't want to.
मैम इसको
I know.
मेरा तो हो
I
गया.
can judge it.
जज हुई.
I'm lucky. How you have time on next friend?
Same man.
जज.
She will anyways have to complete.
घर पे आके तो कर लेगी छाप. You can't make it.
So it's basically about how they are, how the poet is saying is, if we have to get rid of the tree, it is not only by you just cut it like this. It is as so remember when we discussed you were there? When we were discussing about all those things which happen in villages literally. That if they don't cut a tree, a big tree. And even in villages that happen, they surround the tree every day and surrounded by people and they go and curse the tree. God is this. And they go and curse the tree, and when they keep cursing the tree automatically falls. It's not always it's a one-day process or something. It takes a long time. And so technically what has been shown over here is that if you keep saying wrong about someone, if you keep cursing someone, so it will automatically turn out to be bad. So this is what basically the mission revolves around. The region has explaining passages.
It takes much time to do it. Not a simple jabs of the life. It has to slowly consuming the earth, rising out of it, upon its crust absorbing years of sunlight, air, food, water, and out of the sleepless night, sprouting leaves.
So basically what is this thing? It takes much time to kill a tree, not a simple jab of the knife. You just want to take a knife, you won't be able to grow. Right? It has grown slowly consuming the earth. What do you mean slowly consuming the earth? Where does it grow?
On the road.
Yes, it grows. And the roots are inside the, So basically they're talking about the water, they're talking about sunlight, and they're talking about upon its crust, absorbing years of sunlight, air, water, and out of its that resides sprouting leaves.
So half a job, but this alone won't do it. Not so much pain will do it. The bleeding bark will heal and from close to the ground will rise gold green twigs, miniature roots, which if unchecked will expand again to form a size.
So here they talk about, but this alone won't do it. अगर आप chop करके कोई cut करेंगे so max to max you can just chop it. You can't kill a tree. Not so much peeling. The peeling bark will heal. What is peeling bark? When you cut it on the
Sap.
peeling bark,
Blood of tree. Losing its life.
it's basically like white thing comes out. Now if you keep cutting
Sticky.
scrap it. No. You scrap the wood. If you keep scrapping the wood, so the wood scraps out. There is something, that is what helps the tree to grow. So it has that thing, the secretion which you call it. That is what they're talking about. So max you can do that. Will heal and so it will automatically heal. eventually be looking up. And from close to the ground will rise curved weak with miniature bones which will puncture will expand again to form a sign. So basically what they're saying is that even if you chop it, even if you take a knife, even if you do all these jabbing and all these things, nothing will happen. Because it needs to be uprooted. Technically, you know, what I was trying to say that everything has to be uprooted. So it's like a medicinal group. It's like a satire. So basically they say that, you know, a lot many times we say that I can connect this person, I can, you know, turn into be a kind person from being a malicious person. You know, but you cannot, and then you don't go to the core of the person. Like, where is our life? So it takes time. So that is what basically is.
Totally, the root is to be pulled out of the anterior earth. It is to be root, tied, and pulled out, snapped out, or pulled out entirely, out from the earth cave.
Third standard. The root is to be pulled out of the anterior earth. It is to be rope tied and pulled out, snapped out. So basically, we're saying the other two, you have to end this thing. You know, actually, the key is snap it out from the root. If you have to kill the malice of the person, you have to snap it out from the root. And if change the person.
And the strength of the tree exposed, the source, white and red, the most sensitive, hidden for years before the secretion.
Yeah. Trees with the source, white and red, the most sensitive, hidden for years inside. But technically pull out entirely.
Then the matter of scorching and choking in sun and air, flamming, hardening, twisting, withering, and debilitating.
So then the matter of scorching and choking, you can So what happens is, I don't know if you noticed, Julie, if you take out the big log, okay, if you take out the big log and you keep it on the sun, exposed to the sun or something, it gets dry over a period of time because the sun is scorching it. So basically, what's the problem is that, you know, till the time the tree is rooted inside, okay, in the earth. So what happens is you have a lot of water, you have a lot of sunlight, you get food. And the moment it is uprooted, it's kept on the floor or something like that, they don't get food. The sunlight is not the only thing which they get, right? And it becomes very dry. So this is the thing which we have. So, if the question comes that what is the tree, cutting down the tree or uprooting the tree talking about, what will it do? And what does it basically refer? It is not about tree. It is about tree, but it is giving a different meaning. Right? What is the meaning of it?
Basically mean that just cutting the tree won't be enough to kill and actually kill the tree. But uprooting the tree can
Work. So just if you have to kill the evil, if you want to evade or erase, actually, I would say, if you want to erase the malice, the evil in the human beings, you need to go to the court, uproot it first. मतलब अगर जैसे कहते हैं ना एक ही फैमिली में हैं 5 people are similar, so अगर आपको 5 people versus 1 person को ठीक करना है तो उसको uproot करके दूसरी जगह लेके आओ. Within the same family उसको होने नहीं देंगे. Family doesn't mean like a family can be friends. The sangat which is there, sangat. Okay, so this is what the killing the tree is all about. Then we will do all these things. What method with it's a very simple one. Which word is obviously restricted? I'll check the 3 things with and writes it down. See the word mentioned that you need to hack and chop it first. Then we were talking this thing. Why is the jab not enough? If my understand this thing is how is the tree grown good size? Because it is difficult to cut down. Okay, similar to stab, cut to jab. Then you notice to be pulled out of that because no in the stanza. No in the stanza means the tree has not been killed by the previous means. Which treatment roped out, tied, and snapped to kill the tree. Okay, the words is snapped. They were talking about it reaches a birth cave that has kept the roots of the tree behind the source. How can the strength of the tree be exposed to approximately calorie? Okay. Which words completely, entirely? how are the roots shown squashed whenever you are exposing it to sun? That is how they get. What does exposure to sun do to the roots? They get harder to distinct. That is why आपका community का growth bigger happen. Because sunlight की वजह से बहुत hard हो जाती है. Similarly, अगर आप uprooted को उससे बाहर रख दोगे, इतनी hard हो जाती है जैसे आगे. Just usually does. And then the word is hardening, which word is opposite something. Okay, then we're talking about some questions. What has been done compared to that precise in the past? Okay, usage of anchoring earth, process, source of tree, roots, okay, and then how tree will became exposed to sun. Healing power, nature gives a very underlying message. Leave the message, really, what is the message? Alaman, could we show your notebooks? Please let me have a fair idea about this. Just start to here.
Do a job and it has been told to us that we have to achieve this service.
We don't have to take it away. Okay. That is also one of the messages.
Over said that.
But you have to also write down the intentions. Yeah, good. Naman, you're very lazy today. She's not one line. You're still doing question number 6? Still doing question number 6?
No, ma'am. This much only.
This broad, you did not finish the sentence.
Child play. Moments cover. Childline. Naman Giri line. 1098. What is it?
All the extras, pity, compassion, everything.
What is yesterday's being the past tense? एक सेकंड नंबर दूसरे ना एक ना उठेगा खेल
Then,
मान लो
I am calling you one of the days. I have to take this space. Kidness, kindness for kidness.
That's been funny. I don't do that in exam.
Kidness.
Opportunity to opportunity.
Opposite
That's my handwriting.
No, I can read. That's not your handwriting is really good.
Very good, very good. It's called very good.
No, we have to.
How was it?
Well, it is only the last answer I'm not very
I didn't answer my to ask you about.
this child one, how to give an example? how can you relate that to the child? That's what
Same thing.
Yeah, but what I was thinking is that how will you get marks? Sit. And relax. How will you get marks? I was trying. So no matter 3 months.
3 months.
3 marks.
These type of questions usually come for 6.
Marks का repetitive because child वाला जो तुमने relate किया ना, teacher might not get. वो half mark हो जाएगा. So content really less. You should it's your
I'm only written the question. I was writing question.
Even reading, again, we show Aditya, your first, second, third are very good.
Very good. Very good. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. देखो पता है सैंटा का मेरा स्कूल मिक्स
So Merry Christmas को बोला था तो
जर्मनी
Happy season बोला.
Happy
अपन क्रिसमस डे देखो पता है सैंटा का जो एक उसको मिक्स अप करेंगे ना सेटन आता है
Aditya,
हां देखो पता है सेटन क्या है ए यामी
then you are
तो सैंटा का मिक्स अप करेंगे ना सेटन आता है
otherwise it will be very well.
हां ये पता है जब उसका डेविल को कलर क्या होता है पहले वो जीसस की मनाया जाता है
So, finally,
फेयरवेल
course is over.
फेयरवेल ठीक है मैं पार्टी
All the best for your
I'm coming
exam.
back.
You finish your exam then after that.
पक्का
Let's see.
आज एग्जाम्स will finish with the end of
March.
हाँ अभी हो जाएगा ना तब ठीक है चलो अच्छा देयर एग्जाम हाँ लोग की मैम का इसके पास मैम का
Yeah.
चलो
ठीक है?
Bye.
Bye. If you need anything extra in school or something, let me know.
Yeah.
ठीक है? चलो. Take care. Bye.